Hi everyone, welcome to the Move Challenge with Arundathi. So today we're going to do something that you can do in bed, right? So imagine this is my bed. Because some of you say you don't want to roll out the mat, get into your yoga clothes. You can do it in your PJs or whatever you want, so no excuses. So join me in a cross-legged position and let's close our eyes. Ready? So 3 purposeful breaths through your nostrils. Big inhale. And exhale. Slower next round. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale through your nostril. And exhale. Good job. Let's take this moment to say 5 affirmations. So you can say it within you or out loud. I am strong. I am calm. I am loving. I am blessed. I am happy. Feel those going deep into your inner being. That's it. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest with a few gentle blinks. Open your eyes. Great. So we're going to do the cat-cow while on bed. So you're going to come on all fours, get the distance between your kneecaps to be the distance of your forearm, and we're ready. So inhale, drop your belly, gaze up. Exhale, arch your back like a cat. So this is to stimulate your nervous system. Inhale, push your tailbone high, gaze up. Exhale, arch your back like a cat. Inhale, go with the breath, very, very important. Exhale, this is waking up your full body, all your organs, good for digestion, back pain. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, arch your back like a cat. Last one, big inhale. And nice exhale. Good job. Take a breath here. Let's take a breath. Big inhale. And exhale. Good job. So join me in a cross-legged position, right? So you're going to inhale, stretch your hands all the way up above your head. Imagine someone's pulling you, right? And feel that nice stretch on your sides, your upper arms all the way up, 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 up. That's it. And exhale. Good. Now we're going to do side to side, but movement, right? Not hold. So 1, 2, 3. You can go deeper from each pose, right? Movement. 4 and 5. And last one, inhale, exhale. And we're going to hold this. Pull as much as you can from your left arm while pushing your left knee towards the bed or the mattress. So you kind of walk up your waist and energize your digestion. Let's do it to the other side. And your back, arms, your lungs, right? The sides of your lungs, your chest. And done. Inhale. Exhale, side stretch. Twist. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale, and done. So I invite you to jump out of bed now, and we're going to do some simple jogging to get the blood flow. You can my personal favorite is to jog on your toes, even more intense. So keep going, get that blood flow out. So now you're technically started the day, and you've also taken this few minutes for yourself. I'm really proud of you. You can even do star jumps, up to you. Get that blood flow going. A few more seconds. That's it. Hands apart, feet apart. Let's take those 3 purposeful breaths in. Big inhale through your nostril. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, big inhale. Visualize your shoulders and exhale. Great job. Let's also take this moment to connect with ourselves, our positive affirmations, and reinforce in ourselves that we are strong, We have everything we need, we are safe, and that we are blessed. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Good job on joining. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.